I'm going to take you through how to create an HTML form. An HTML form to be able to accept user data. So first of all, what I'll do is I'll create my HTML syntax. So I'll open and close my HTML tags. So this is how I'll open and close my HTML tags here. So in this head, I'm going to have a title of it, which will be title. I have title. So in this title, I'm going to have form. So this is how I'm going to have it. So I'll open a body tag here. Then I'll close my body tag. Then I have it here. So the next thing I'll be doing is to open a form tag here. Then I'll close my form tag here. Close my form tag here. So in between this is where I'm going to do my form coding. So whatever I'll be doing in my form will appear here. So first of all, I'm going to create the input fields. So I'll start by opening the input tag. So the input type I want to take let's say the information of a user that is logging into the system, maybe the person's first name, last name, and an email address or contact. So I'll have a input type which is equal to, then I'll have text. Input type is going to be text. The input that is going to be accepted from the data from the user is going to be text. So I'll have that here. And the name of this form, this input field is F name, that is first name. So I'll have it here. So I'll have first name here. First name here. Then the next input field will be last name. So I'll have last name here. So I'll have my input text open, then type is also going to be text, and we have it here. Then the name is going to be L name, last name, and I'll close the tag. So the next one I'm going to have is email address. So let's say email. So I'll have my input field open, but here, so email address, email type is equal to text. The name is equal to email. Then I'll also close the tag. Then the last thing I'll have is my submit button. I'll have my submit button. So here the input type is no longer going to be text, but rather it will be submit. Submit, the type is going to be submit. The name is it will be submit. Then I'll close that. So in order, I want them to arrange in a vertical order, so I have to break them for them to be arranged nicely. So I'll break them here, break it here, and also break here. Okay, then I think this will do. So the next thing I'll have to save my document. So I'm just doing a trial, so I want to save it on the desktop. So the name I'm going to give it is going to be form. It looks like I already have a form, a file name form. So I'll just do this one, form 2.html. Always remember that every HTML name has an extension .html. So you remember to put the .html in it before it will be able to read as an HTML document. So I'll come here and save my document. I'll save it. So this is my form. I have my form here. So I'll go to the desktop to see if I can open my form. So I have form 2 here. So when I double click on it, then here I have my form. So this is basically a simple input form that I've created where I can enter, a user will be able to enter uh, his names to be able to submit. So this is as simple as that. So in my next tutorial, I am going to take you through how to be able to style this form. You realize that this form doesn't look nice. You may have to add some styles to it for it to look nice so that it will be a very nice form. So we will end our tutorial here on how to create an HTML form. Thank you.